Now let us see example 6.29. Now see the question. As observed from the top of a 60-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 28 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, after to a tan 28 degree value also they have given. First you have to understand the question, then you can draw the diagram. So in our question what they have given. So from the sea level one lighthouse is there. The height of the lighthouse that is 60 meter. Okay. So after from the top of a lighthouse they are looking at the two ships. Okay. So angle of depression means you know that from the top to bottom only. So here from the top of the lighthouse they are looking at the two ships. The two ships are on the same side of the lighthouse they have given. Okay. So after one ship is exactly behind the other they have given. They are looking at the two ships in 28 degree angle and the 45 degree angle. So in our question what they have asked to find out, find the distance between the two ships. Okay, so that is the question. Now see here in our question, from the sea level one lighthouse is there. The height of the lighthouse 60 meter. After from the top of the lighthouse they are looking at the two ships. Already in our question they have given the two ships are on the same side of the lighthouse. Okay, so lighthouse is here, the same side only the two ships are. After one ship is behind the other they have given. So one ship is behind the other. So here one ship, here one ship. Now they are looking at the two ships, okay, from the top of a lighthouse. So now see how they will look. You know that if you are standing here on the top of a lighthouse means when you look at the straight, this is the horizontal line. Okay, so this is the horizontal line. First they are looking at the one ship. Next from the top of a lighthouse they are looking at the next ship. Okay, so then you can join this line also. When you write the angle, so you will confused, so easily you can remember. Here the small, you know that when you make the angle horizontal line and the line of sight only. Okay, so here this is the horizontal line, this is the line of sight. This small thing you can write the small angle 28 degree. Okay, so the next angle, this is the horizontal line, this is the another line of sight. So this fully you have to write. Okay, so that is the bigger angle. The next angle that is 45 degree. Okay, so the next one, put the letter A, B, C, D, X. Okay, so letters you can put it. Now we know that two right angles you have got it. So here this is the right angle. One is this one. Can you name that right angle? DCB, that is one right angle. Next one, this full right angle triangle. Okay, so that is DCA. Okay, so that two right angle triangle you have got it. Now you need the angle. So you know that already I said the alternate angles are equal. So now see that when you write the angle correctly, right, easily you can remember this is that shape. Okay, so now see this to this one. Okay, so this angle that is 28 degree mean this also 28 degree. So this 28 degree. The next one you can see this is that shape. Okay, so this, see here, this ending to this ending. Okay, so like that you can see. So this to this is that shape. Okay, so this full angle 45 degree mean this angle also 45 degree only. Okay, so now this is the alternate angles. Now two right angle triangle, this full right angle triangle, this small right angle triangle. Okay, so now you have got it. Now can you find, when you, in our question what they have asked to find out the distance between the two ships. Okay, so distance, this is one ship, this is another ship. Distance between this one they are asking. Okay, so A to B distance only we need to find out. Okay, so now our question, first one, from the sea level one lighthouse is there. The height of the lighthouse that is 60 meter. From the top of a lighthouse two ships are there. So two ships on the same side of the lighthouse they have given. After one ship is exactly behind the other they have given. So that's why we have taken this like. Okay, so from the top of a lighthouse they are looking at one ship, another next they are looking at the second ship. Okay, so angle, small angle, this horizontal line, this line of sight, small thing you can write small angle. Next this horizontal line, this line of sight, so this full angle that is 45 degree. Then Z shape alternate angles, you know that this Z shape here 28 mean here also 28. Next Z shape full, this much it will come. So that is this fully 45 mean this also 45 it will come. Okay, so now our question they have asked to find out this distance only. Now you can see the answer. Let the observer on the lighthouse. Okay, so lighthouse that is CD. Okay, so CD height also they have given that is 60 meter. From the D point only they are looking at the two ships, so that is point D. Okay, so let the observer on the lighthouse CD at D. Okay, so this is CD, that is the lighthouse. At the D point only they are looking at the two ships. Height of the lighthouse, so height of the lighthouse what they have given, CD is equal to 60 meter. The next one, angles, how to write, you know that angles X, first 28 degree, which two angles are equal, X D A. Okay, so that angle is equal to, here this 28 degree what it will come, CAD. Okay, so DAC or CAD, anyway you can write, that is 28 degree. Next 45 degree angle, how we can write this to this. Okay, so XDB. Okay, so XDB is equal to 45. Next here what is the angle, so DBC. Okay, so that is 45 degree. Alternate angles are equal. So now first one right angle triangle we are going to take. So that right angle name is DCB. Okay, so this small right angle separately I have drawn. See here, DCB. Okay, so DCB, this is 60 meter, angle is 45 degree. Okay, so the next one, okay, this much. Okay, so this right angle triangle first separately we have drawn. Okay, so now see here in the right angle triangle DCB, angle name already we have written. Okay, so you know that this right angle opposite, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, the next one, this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Okay, so the next one, so here which one, you know that this opposite side, you know that adjacent side, because the two ships down part only we need to find out. So this side also we need it. Okay, so this distance we know that. So opposite and the adjacent mean which ratio you can take, the tan ratio. Tan angle is 45 degree, opposite by adjacent, so CD divided by DC or DC divided by BC. Tan 45 degree, from the tabular column you know that the value is 1 is equal to DC means that 60 meter divided by BC don't know, so you need to find out. So BC you can write. Next BC is equal to, BC into 1, BC only it will come, BC is equal to 60 meter you have to write. Okay, so the next one, next right angle triangle, that is full right angle triangle. Okay, so full right angle triangle it will come. So I'm drawing separately. So this full right angle triangle name what it will come, DCA. Okay, so DCA angle name what it will come, full means this angle only. Okay, so that is 28 degree. The next one here 60 meter, you know that. Okay, so this distance here B also you have. Okay, so this distance, so in between point B have, so AC point. So now see here, you know that here also this is a right angle, so this is the hypotenuse, this angle, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. Okay, so you know that here opposite side length, you know that adjacent side down part only two ships distance only we are going to find out. So this also we need it. Okay, so this opposite and the adjacent mean here also tan ratio only we are going to take. After the angle is 28 degree. So in the right angle triangle DCA, opposite side DC divided by adjacent side, that is AC. Tan 28 degree value in our question itself they have given, that you have to apply instead of tan 28 degree is equal to DC, you know that is 60, AC you don't know, so you can write AC. Then AC you can bring it to this side, 0.5317 you can bring it to this side. Okay, so this multiplication, this part while you are transposing to this side it will become division. So AC is equal to 60 divided by 0.5317. So while you are dividing you can remove the point, so multiply and divide by here 4 digits after the point. So if you want to remove this 4 digits means the decimal you want to remove, then multiply and divided by 10,000, 4 zeros. Okay, so here also then you will get 60 after 4 zeros it will come, divided by the point if you remove, so 5317 it will come. So after if you divide me you will get the answer, AC is equal to 112.85 meter. Okay, so now see here BC, this BC length we have got it. BC first, from the first triangle we have got it, that is 60 you have got it. After this full length AC also we have got it. AC is equal to what is it, now only we have got it 112.85. Now see here this full length, but we needed this much length only because the distance between these two ships only they have asked. Okay, so now this full length we know that, this half length we know that, this and this if you subtract, can you get it this length or not? Yes. So the distance between two ships, so AB, the AB only we needed. Okay, so AB is equal to AC full length minus this half length BC. So AC you have to write minus BC 60, you know that if you subtract we'll get the answer. So that is the answer of distance between two ships, that AB distance only, distance between two ships is equal to 52.85 meters. So that is the answer. Okay, thank you.